The thing that first sparked my interest in dentistry was probably, as it would be for many people, a visit to the dentist, and indeed seeing how much that would benefit either myself or, in the particular case I can remember, my sister. I certainly found it very interesting, and I wanted to work with people and wanted to be involved in healthcare. The course that I actually teach is oral medicine and human disease. They are in fact modules within the overall programme of dentistry. Our undergraduate dental courses comprise a 3-year, a 4-year and a 5 programme, depending on the individual undergraduate's point of entry. The aim of that course is obviously to prepare someone to be a dentist, working in either hospital or in general practice, or indeed in the community. The skills and experiences that the undergraduate dental students gain are legion. In terms of clinical experiences, they will receive a very broad undergraduate training which will cover all aspects of dentistry which they would expect to encounter following qualification in the early phase of their career. Which is slightly different from medicine, in which much of the undergraduate period is spent watching rather than actually doing. So I think our undergraduate students come up very well prepared for the job which they're going to go into. My role at King's is varied, and so there are a number of aspects of it which I find inspiring. As a clinical academic, I spend half my week working for King's College London, half my week working for Guy's and St Thomas's NHS Foundation Trust. From a clinical standpoint, the patients are ever changing and provide a wealth of clinical material for research that we do. From an educational standpoint, we're at the present time looking at how we assess the so-called softer skills, particularly around management and leadership and indeed professionalism, as demonstrated by our students. I'm inspired by seeing just how much benefit can be derived by patients from new, more innovative techniques, and the gratitude from the patients as well, which is in itself hugely rewarding. One of the things I most enjoy about working in London is the fact that it is a multicultural society, and that's reflected within our undergraduate student population. There are a huge number of opportunities for people to broaden their horizons culturally and socially whilst they're undergraduates, in particular in London, and indeed afterwards when you work within London. I chose to study at King's myself many years ago as an undergraduate dental student, and it served me very, very well. From a dental perspective, it is the biggest dental institute within the United Kingdom, and indeed one of the biggest, if not the biggest, within Europe. That brings with it significant advantages in terms of the size of the faculty. This gives a great ability to take what is the best of each of them and incorporate it for your own personal benefit and for that of your future patients. It is a great place to come, and if you do and are fortunate enough to come, enjoy it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for many, which is not to be missed.